Welcome back, guys, to another video on Excel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to do the if formula. So I'm using my spreadsheet that you may have seen on YouTube already. This is a budget planner. So just a quick explanation of what's going on here. Yeah, you put all your bills in a row, the date it goes out, the price of the bill, and you give yourself a running total. Put a column here saying has it been paid, which is Y or N. It goes green if it's a Y, red if it's an N. And in this column what we have is left to pay. So what we want to do is, if this column here has a Y, we want to subtract everything. We want to subtract the price from the total value to find out what we have left to pay down here. And because we're doing a couple of different things at once based on different cells, what we need to do is we need to use the if formula. So to start the if formula off, it is equals if bracket, and Excel is going to pop up here. It's going to tell you want a logic test, a value of true and a value of false. So our logic test here is if this cell here is equal to Y. If it's a letter, you have to put it in exclamation marks there, comma, and you see here it's gone over to value if true. Value if true, we want to use the total value at the bottom here minus how much the price is, and comma, and value of false, basically if we haven't paid it yet, we want it to equal just as this value down here, and close bracket to end it. Hit enter, and you see we haven't paid it and we still have £140 left to pay. If I change that to a yes, our total outgoing is 140, but we've paid £5, so we've got £135 left to pay. To apply that to all the columns in a row, all you have to do is just drag it down by clicking on the cell, and the little box in the bottom right, if you click on that and drag it right the way down, all the way to the bottom. Right, so that's the top line. For the second line we've got to do a slightly different one, so we'll have to get rid of all that, because that hasn't really worked. Because our first value, if we have paid, it's minus from this value. This one, we want it to be minus from the top value, so it keeps a running total again. So once again, equals if bracket, if F6, that one there, is equal to Y, comma, value if true, we want to do the value above minus the price that we would pay, and if the value is false, we want it to just equal the value above. Oh, yep, sorry, my bad. And close bracket. Hit enter. You see it's done the next one there. So if I click Y, it's now gone down to £125 because we've got the 140. It's taken off the 5 here for 135, and now it's taken off the 10 to get 125. Now we can drag it down. You see every value's in there. So if we change this one to a Y, it's all gone to 110 because it's minus 15 of 125. I can change this one back to a no, and now what we've got is 140 minus 5 equals 135. This one's still 135 because it's no, so 135 minus 15 equals 120. And that is it for the if formula in this demonstration. Hope you find this helpful. Hope it helps you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.